A leader in a list is an element that is strictly greater than every element to its right. The last element is always a leader, since nothing is to its right. In 16, 17, 4, 3, 5, 2, the leaders are 17, 5, and 2. We want them all, and we would like to do it in one pass. Scanning from the left forces us to look ahead repeatedly. So we flip it and scan from the right instead. We keep the maximum value seen so far on the right side. Starting from the last element, whenever the current element is greater than that running maximum, it beats everything to its right, so it is a leader, and we update the maximum. Because we collect leaders right to left, we reverse the list at the end to restore left to right order. We start the running maximum at the last element and add it as our first leader. Then we walk backward from the second last element. Whenever the current element exceeds the running maximum, it is a leader, so we record it and raise the maximum. Finally, we reverse the collected leaders to get left to right order. Let's build the right to left scan and find the leaders. The last element is always a leader, so it seeds both our result and our running maximum. Walking right to left, any element that beats the maximum so far is a leader, and it becomes the new maximum. We collected leaders backwards, so we reverse the list to restore left to right order. Now let's test it and hit run. The leaders are 17, 5, and 2. In an increasing list, only the last element leads. And in a decreasing list, every element is a leader. Starting from the last element as a leader, we move leftward tracking the maximum on the right. Each element that beats it is a leader. At the end, we reverse the collected leaders. We scan the list once from right to left, so order end time. Apart from the output list, we only keep a running maximum, so order one extra space. Scan from the right so you avoid rescanning the tail for every element. Because leaders are gathered backward, reverse the result before returning. And the rule is strictly greater, so an element merely equal to something on its right does not count as a leader.